Hello and welcome to Cadd Excellence Centre. Today we will learn about how to use array command in Autocad. Array is the command used to create multiple instances. If you want to create multiple copies of any object in some particular manner. The three types of array we have are rectangular array, path array, and polar array. Let us look at rectangular array. It is used to create a pattern of rows and column. For this we can select the option from the ribbon tab. Or we can provide the command that is AR below. Once we select the object on which we need to apply array, we need to select the rectangular array option from top. As soon as we select the option, we will get an arrangement of 4 columns and 3 rows with predefined distances. This arrow helps to increase number of columns manually, and this one increase the number of rows. The distance between the rows can be roughly adjusted using this arrow. And same for the columns using this arrow. Pulling the square changes both rows and columns together. We can manually type the numbers we want in the tab above. The between distances can also be changed according to our preference. Keeping in mind to only change one thing, whether between distance or total distance, as between distance is dependent total distance. We can change the number of levels, but that takes our drawing to the Z-axis, which is not needed as we are in 2D drawing. Once everything is done, click the green tick mark on top right. Move into the path area. We can use this when we have an object to be applied array on a particular path. The path can be a spling, zigzag or a straight line. All we need to do is select the object, then select path array, and then click onto the path. Automatically after clicking the path, number of instances will be created on that path. We need to change the measure option to divide in order to be able to change the number of instances we want to create and fully utilize the path. By this option we can increase the number of rows, but this is not much needed. Then we have polar array. Remember, a path cannot be closed. That is, a circle is a path, but path array cannot be applied on the circle. We have polar array for objects that require circular pattern array. For this, all we need to do is select the object, select polar array, and provide the center point around which the instances will rotate. Now by default we get 6 instances, and if we want to change it, we can change everything from above tabs. Change the angle from 360 to 180. Change the direction on which side to create. Change whether the object should be rotated or not, and so on. Experiment with the tabs and understand the changes. Hope array is clear to all, and if you face any doubt, kindly use the comment section. Like, share and subscribe the channel and watch the complete AutoCAD series on our channel.